Today we are making ginataang mais. Ingredients are 1 can whole kernel corn, 1 can cream corn, 2 cans of coconut cream, 2 cups of glutinous rice, 1 cup of tapioca pearls cooked small size,
That's a wrap.
So what are you saying to me about this?
I'm saying it's not too sweet, and it's nice and hot, and it's warming up my belly.
Perfect, right?
And yeah, it's really good on a cold night.
We call it ginataang mais.
Nice.
Yeah.
Because it's ginataang, which is the sweet rice, the sticky rice, with corn.
No, it's just ginataan is like coconut.
Oh.
Yeah, because it's glutinous rice, right? You use
Alright.
glutinous rice.
So ginataang is coconut? No.
Yeah. Is that
How's that
gata
translate?
because the root word is gata, which is the coconut cream. And then ginataan means like the process of cooking glutinous rice, cooking with gata. That's why it make it ginataang mais. You're like describing
With corn, right?
yeah, describing the describing the dish with cooking with the gata.
I see.
That's why ginataang mais.
I see why it's so
And-
small instead of all these.
And back home, this is like a merienda.
Merienda is breakfast? Or is it like a snack?
In snack, yeah. So invite our viewers.
Oh, hi! Welcome back. They never left. Yeah, so,
It's really good, huh? You like it?
it was really good. and I'm hungry, so that works out even better. Mm-hmm. Is there a variation you could do in the summer? Like, do you turn it into a popsicle maybe?
This
And added a
one?
bit more sugar to it or something?
Not sure about that, but
That could be
we can try.
magical. Diba? Anyways, like and subscribe, and yeah, check us all out. There's other videos there. And this is Mammy Chevy's cooking.
Yeah.
Nice. So check out Mammy Chevy. She's amazing. She's hot. She's my wife. And we'll see you guys soon. Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, chica.
Whoa, she's crazy.